After enduring so much fear, finally some kindness. Facing an uncertain future about whether or not they would be allowed to enter Indonesia, local people in this community carried the Rohingya refugees from this boat and into safety. The group had spent weeks, possibly months, at sea, old and young all crammed together and sharing the same trauma. Local fishermen found them earlier this week in a sinking boat in the waters around the province of Aceh. The fishermen had tried to transport the group, but their engine failed, so they sent others to tow them to shore. As they approached the shore on Wednesday, it was already dark. Some Aceh authorities had even considered sending them back to sea.
We're planning to fix the boat and will then give them more logistics. Then we will push them away from Indonesian territory, guarded by the Navy.
The local community and human rights groups disagreed.
Under international law, Indonesia has the obligation to protect and to rescue people at risk of serious harm. And refusing to rescue them, or even worse, putting traumatized people back on boats and sending them into the dangerous waters, are clear violations of international law.
For years, Rohingya refugees have tried to reach Indonesia and Malaysia by boat, fleeing atrocities in Myanmar. The Indonesian government says its policy has always been to work with other countries in the region to stop what it calls unsafe journeys and facilitate the voluntary repatriation of Rohingya refugees. The Indonesian foreign minister says the government will take steps to stop boat journeys like this.
And based on humanitarian consideration, we give these people emergency assistance. At the same time, we will continue to work with countries in the region through various mechanisms on early detection measures, as well as to prevent both people to take unsafe journey at sea from the country of origin.
Just what that emergency assistance from the government entails is unclear, but the community in Aceh is already showing its compassion and willingness to help. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Jakarta.